Hey guys, welcome to Unboxing Donut Ring Part 2. Last time I thought my mum and dad would get mad at me if I unboxed it at night, so let's open the rest of it. Okay. Here it is, guys. Here it is. Here it is. Oh, what's this? Here's the instructions. Let's read it. So we got that. I don't know what that is. A ring. I don't know what that is. Make sure it's not anywhere. I don't know what that is for. Let's just give blowing it. Here it is. Here is the whole thing. Pretty sure one day I'm gonna be blowing this up, but I'm not gonna be doing it on YouTube because it'll be pretty hard to record and it'll take too long. So with that, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.